Hey everyone, Andover Adam here, and let me ask you, is it ever too early to talk about Christmas? According to my contract, not at all. Let's talk about the Christmas collections that we're going to be shipping from Macau, UK, starting in May 2021. Our friends from across the pond at Macau, UK have come up with some really fun Christmas collections again this year. They all coordinate with our Century Solids, which you'll see in these sidebars or mid bars in the middle of the page. Anyway, this first collection is called Yappy Christmas, with some yappy dogs. And not all dogs are yappy, but these ones are. But you don't have to worry about hearing them because they're fabric and they're two-dimensional. And if you start hearing them, then, consult your doctor about that. Choo choo! All aboard the Santa Express, which you can see here is the name of the collection. And Santa's driving that train. He's on an advent calendar. He's throwing out gifts. And Santa's putting a little extra in that stocking this year because all of these designs have gold metallic for a little extra Christmas bling bling. From what I've been told, this is basically what London looks like. It's a little jarring when you get off the plane and everything's just kind of drawn like this. But in any case, there's an advent calendar here in this London Christmas collection, and then this nice all-over pattern on the left that you see here. If you're like me, you like your Foliage classic. And that's what we have here with the classic Foliage collection from Macau, UK, featuring some great metallic gold accents here. We've got those beautiful Christmas roses in the top left, and then we've got great coordinate prints, including these scrolls, and also the linen texture that we have goes great with it. We're actually coming out with some new colors that you see here in the middle of the page. And finally, would it really be Christmas if we didn't come out with a new Scandi collection? The answer is no, and that's why we have this Scandi collection here, Scandi 2021, in two colors. We have the red colorway first, which you see here. We've got some great double borders, including the ombre snowflake on the left, and then that great village border on the right. We also have this great silver colorway of the Scandi collection here. Again, same double border options. We also have a wonderful circle panel that you see on the right here, featuring reindeer in all of its favorite environments. So that's something that I would love, especially if I was a reindeer enthusiast, and even if I wasn't, it's quite pretty. We'd like to thank the Reindeer Enthusiast Association League for sponsoring this video. They are real. Until next time, everyone, be safe, be well, and take care.